How to log in TikTok with QR code. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into TikTok with QR code. First, in your TikTok PC, tap on Login and here you will see the option Use QR code. Then, on your mobile device, tap on your profile page and click on the three horizontal lines among the options that appear. Tap on QR code. Navigate to the top right corner where you will see the scan icon. Click on this and scan the QR code that appears on your PC. After that, tap on Confirm. And that's how you log into TikTok with QR code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!